Okay, hey everyone, or anyone who is watching this stream. Oh. There, it's better. Let me choose some music here because this playlist is just horrendous. Okay, this is the classic Lofi. Let's see, what do we have here? We have rock. What's this? Hyper tracks. Hype tracks? What is that? Jesus. Okay. Let's just leave it at that. What's that? Chip tune. What's that? Oh my god. Alright. Not this one. I mean, it's cool. Reminds me of my childhood. Dubstep, house, chill step? What's this chill step? Alright, let's stay with chill step for now. Alright. So, in case anyone is wondering what happened, just before the New York kill zone, I entered into a very tiny small buy position. So it is what it is. Anyway, I don't care about the euro. We're sticking with the pound. Let's go for the pound. And by the way, let's just check something here. Okay, nothing on the euro. Euro could be still repriced here. I don't care about that. Okay, there's a round number which is 25. It's very close, actually. And there's another buy side liquidity right there. Let me put a marker here. Buy side liquidity right there. Okay, so we have buy side liquidity up there. Could be all right for a potential long entry. And we have the 25 round number up here. That's also an important level. I would love to go into a long position, but we have news. So I guess we have to wait for that. Otherwise, I think there is not much to do here. Let's check gold. What are these levels on gold, by the way? No idea of what these levels are. Absolutely no idea what these levels are on gold. Huh. Okay, one here. That's a buy side liquidity. Okay, I know that now. I don't know where it wants to go. So far, it made the move which I anticipated, if I may say so, but otherwise it's difficult to read just before news. We are 10 pips away from this important buy side liquidity level on pound. Made a relatively cool high there, so it could be just perfect for a potential long from this fair value gap. So if someone wants to go long, then you're welcome. It could do it, you know, before the news. We have still, like, how much time? We have think we have around, yeah, we have 20 minutes and 20 minutes and 44 minutes until unemployment claims. Quite a few news drivers, so I think we should wait for at least 35 to 40 minutes to enter any kind of trade. Until then, we can analyze the market. So far, I was talking about the pound before, and my morning London session analysis was correct in this manner, because it did take out this buy side liquidity here with the relative equal highs. Let me put this right there. So it took it out. Next target for buy side is here, and we have the 25 round number, very close proximity. What we could be eyeballing, let me take out this one as well. What we could be eyeballing is basically the mid-level, which is equilibrium. So we could be eyeballing this level here. Let me just put a zone here. So this level right there, let's put equilibrium. No, center, inside, top. Very good. So that's equilibrium right there. And what kind of equilibrium? Where for this swing? For this swing, that's an equilibrium level right there. We are going to be watching that level. Because at news there can be like multiple scenarios, but for example, if the news comes out, it can go all the way down and then, you know, spike back up. And we want to be ready with the fair value gap there. That could be happening. What the hell is this music? So far, we took 3 trades this month, this morning. Both of them are all right. Okay. Let's go for gold. So gold took out this buy side here. Took out sell side in London session quite nicely. Took out sell side quite nicely. And what do we have here? Yes. Oh, no, that was my evil laugh. Took out buy side, took out sell side. Okay, brought it here. More buy side up here. There's a bearish order block on the 1 hour up there. Have to be careful about that. But I feel like the same scenario could be happening with gold. Same scenario could be happening with gold here. For example, if it goes down here, there. This would be equilibrium on this move. I have to wait. What the euro is doing. I can't concentrate on everything, so I'm just speaking to the euro. Nothing that really interests me right now, although I mean, if we look at the 4 hour, I would definitely like, look at this, look at these tops here. It's like there's no wicks, almost like so flat here. I would love to see those tops to be taken out. It's right here. So I would definitely put a buy side liquidity there. There. I'm going to actually, at the center, at the top, there, a little bit bigger. Okay. So that's my buy side liquidity level right there for the euro. It would be definitely interesting to see that being taken out. On the sell side, there's nothing, only this one. So if the news, and this is the 1 hour, if the news would drive this all the way down here, oh, sorry, not EV, EQ, which is not emotional quality. No, it should be equilibrium. Okay. So that would be the equilibrium level of this price swing on the 1 hour. And this would be the area which I would be looking to enter to go long, take out that buy side. If I go down to 15 minute, nothing major there. 5 minute also nothing. But you know what, let's just put an alert here and, you know, let's see what it does. And just in case. Same goes for, by the way, the pound. I would definitely favor, well, I don't know. I would definitely go with the pound because it moves much faster, much stronger in this case, and yeah, I would go with the pound. If it goes to this equilibrium area, then I would choose to go long from there. Not entering any trades before the news. Oh my god, there's a fighter jet again. You know what? Let's be honest in this one. Let's just put in a TP1 here. 1.95. Let's be honest with this one. 1.95% profit. Right? Okay. So waiting for news. I'm not going to go into the economic part, our fundamental part of this. We're just gonna wait. What is Bitcoin doing? Nothing. Bitcoin is just hovering. We can check S&P for now. I don't think any special movements have occurred during London, but let's just go over just in case. It's impossible to trade S&P anyway in London, so no trade entries in London session, not on the 5 minute. Don't even want to look at the 1 minute. Nothing to go with on S&P. This is Nasdaq. Nothing so far. It's not that clear. I don't know how many of you guys are trading this, but this should be here. New York midnight open. Yeah, which is cool. But no entries so far. There is nothing there. Nothing there as well. Small fair value gap maybe here. Oh, maybe this can give a 1-to-1 risk reward by entering on this gap. I don't know. This is NQ, and as you can see, the spread makes it almost like super impossible to trade futures on a broker like this. My chart is a mess. Let me close this. Let me delete that. Let me delete that. The midnight open range. Fine. Fine. Oh, that's not previous day's low, is it? Oh, it is. All right. Took out some buy side. I'm gonna leave it at there. There was some market structure shift over there. Enter the second position there. Okay, fine. On the 15 minute, we are also in a fair value gap still as of right now. But because it's news, in less than 6 minutes, nobody is entering. I'm not entering for sure. Definitely not entering. Okay, the euro started to spike down just as the pound. There is a fair value gap that could be repriced down there. Let's see gold. Gold took out some buy side here. Let's go back here. It's better for you guys. Yeah. So gold took out this buy side liquidity there. Went down, but no major structure break. Not even, well, the 3 minute looks all right, but you know, it's news. On the 3 minute, it would be all right to go short here. There was a bit of a structure break here and here with this candle. So if there wouldn't be any other objectives up here and no news, then on the 3 minute, it would be looking quite nicely. But we're not going to enter because of news. Euro dollar is very eye-catching with a possible short entry on the 15 minute. Otherwise, nothing. Nothing is happening here. Man, I ate something bad and my stomach is hurting, to be honest. I might have to go out and take a dump. I'm sorry. I might have to visit the toilet. We have news anyway, so damn, my stomach is hurting real bad. Okay, guys, I think I have to. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, all right, all right. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Let's see. The news came out. Yeah, I know. Let's check the charts. Let's. I know that, dude. Okay. All right. So we went. The euro doesn't really matter to me. By the way, I was just checking this because this is equilibrium level. So this would be an ideal long entry on the hourly. Otherwise, I don't care. Okay, so the gold spiked down quite nicely. Oh my god. Look at these wicks. Oh my Jesus. Terrible. Terrible to see them. Oh my god. Nobody knows what the hell is going on here. Okay, let's lower the music. Just a little bit. Nobody knows what is happening here. And the pound almost the same, although it did not go down to the mid-level of this swing. Only the euro. So if someone wants to take a long on the euro based on the 1 hour, then why not? We have buy side up there. I'm scared to take any long positions in this area, especially because there's news in 9 minutes. So I'm not taking any trades. No trades for me. No trades. This would be an optimal trade entry for gold, by the way, to take along. But look at the 4-hour candles. I just hate it. Let me check it on MetaTrader. Let me check it. Let's have a clean chart. Oh my god, it's terrible. This is gold 4-hour candles. It's looking absolutely terrible and crazy. Oh my god, it's awful. I don't want to look at this. Actually, for the 1 hour, technically it would be looking good to take along, but we have relative equal lows down there. Buy side being taken. And also on the daily, we have equal lows here. We have a gap down there. So, and look at this huge imbalance. So I would say that there's a quite big chance, especially if we are talking about fundamentals as well, that gold should be pricing lower. Should be pricing lower, right? Okay. Don't worry, I'm not justifying any trade. Not even forcing any trade. Have to reduce the number of trades. News in about 6 minutes. New York is open. Gold is edging down. By the way, I don't really like this kind of structure break on the 5 minute. Also not here on the 15 minute, or neither here. I would say that we are still in a buy sequence or bullish sequence. I mean, this 1 hour should have to break this London low to confirm that we are still, I mean, that we are in a bear trend, which it will do, I think. Oh, this is the euro, right? Went all the way down to equilibrium. Let's check the dollar index. Dollar index closed on the hourly below yesterday's low, which is very interesting. We have almost relative equal lows here. So if the dollar wants to get weaker, yeah, then, oh my god, okay. So if the dollar is going to continue getting weaker here, and this is just the 1 hour, then we could see some potential forex dollar pairs are getting so maybe whoever entered here on the euro made a good choice. But since it was news time, it's not my cup of tea. Already 9 pips in profit if someone entered. Of course, depending on how much was the risk. If I would be entering here, 28 pips. Yeah, we definitely have to break the high. And then the target would be ultimately this buy side liquidity here. Yeah. Can't talk. How are we doing? What's the time? Okay. About 3 minutes. Let's check. What was the news like? What's this? Oh yeah, non-farm employment change, estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month. Wow. So slightly less employed people, but not as nearly as less employed than they anticipated. Just slightly less employed people. All right. So the plan is still the same. We do have buy side resting up there. We have an equilibrium level on the hourly. I'm gonna put an alert here just to make sure we don't miss the move if it spikes down. Otherwise, I think nothing is happening, right? Look at gold. It's crazy. Okay, on the 4-hour candle, there's still 1.5 hours to close down this 4-hour, which can help to this trade if someone took a long entry on gold here. I'm sure there's lots of stops above here, and there's a bearish order block here on the hourly. So technically speaking, almost an optimal entry. Okay, news in about 40 seconds. Yeah. Let's go to the hourly. I'm not taking any trade until news comes out. Let's see. Unemployment claims. Yeah. I'm going to be watching gold, I guess. So let's go to the 15 minutes, shall we? Okay, so that's gold on the right side and 5 and pound on the left. 2, 1, and let's see. What is happening? Okay, it goes up. Okay. Let's see the number. Still pending. Unemployment claims. Not that much as they anticipated. Not that many unemployment claims. So what this means, this is the 1 minute candle. I don't really like it. What this means is that let me put a fib here. Is that gold? I don't know. I have no idea where it wants to go. Okay, now the pound wants to go higher and take out that buy side liquidity, which is awesome. Could be good for a scalp, but I'm guessing it's gonna be faster. If this candle lets us to enter on a, let's check euro just for fun. Yeah, okay, almost the same. So if this candle closes now and it retraces to a bit of a fair value gap down here, which would be at this point, then I might, I would take it, I assume. What's the range here? 14. Yeah, it's good for a 1-to-1. So I am gonna put a limit order. Not sure if it's gonna go down there, so limit order has been placed. It has to go down there and fill that. Because ultimately, the target would be to take out the rest of the buy side. The euro can help in this trade. Reprice that level already. Yeah, so the euro can help us in this case, but we would need to reprice that level down there. That fair value gap needs to be repriced. If we get filled, then it's fine. If we don't, then it is what it is. It tapped lower here, took out some sell side here. Would be nice to see it drive all the way up. So we're waiting for a fill. We have a fair value gap from earlier acting as support. Okay, we're in. It's acting as support. We'll see if it's going to be enough or not. Yeah. It's going to be a 1-to-1 trade. Most likely, if we succeed. Otherwise, I don't know. Let's delete this. And let's see where it goes. Yeah, this can provide some support. Overall target, let me see the entry point. 2465.03. 2565.03. 2465.03. Yeah, it's spiking lower. 03. Oh my god, it's going lower. Yeah. Okay, a 1-to-1 risk reward should be enough for us. I'm not sure where was the stop loss here. Stop was 2451.3. Okay, there it was. And the take profit was at 2482.8. Okay. So that's the trade that we're doing based on the 1 minute, but it's not based on the 1 minute actually. It's based on the theory which I was talking about earlier. We have buy side liquidity at 20, where is it? Buy side liquidity at 2484, and we have a round number of 25 up here, and I do feel that there is some more liquidity. Relative equal highs has been put out. Some more buy side I feel there is here, and we are very close to the 25 level, which is kind of a magnetic level. Let me just put this here. Round numbers are always a little bit like magnetic or something. So that's what I would be hoping for as a kind of magnetic level. No partials. This will be a 1-to-1 trade. Although, let me measure this just for a second. If this is 14, you know what? Actually, we can take partials. Let me just measure the distance. All right. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right, we're closing 0.95 lots at 14 pips and putting it to break even at 14 pips. The EA is going to put it to break even actually. That's what we're looking for, and the final TP would be below the 25 level. It will be 24.98, so that's TP2. So this has turned into a trade with two partials. Okay, and let's move it to what's the final TP? 98.7. There. So this is the trade, and if we reach 14 pips, which should be around here, I'm gonna put an alert here just in case we know that. All right, this should be enough. Okay, now all we have to do is wait patiently and hope that the trade will evolve. So far, this is all I see. Looking to take partials. If we hear the bell, then the EA has taken partial profit at 14 pips, which is 5 pips away. The expert advisor is going to close 0.95 lots from the trade, which has happened just right now. Okay, Why didn't we get the, you know, whatever? All right, partials have been taken. Thank you. EA put it to break even. So first partial has been taken. Let's remove this. Okay, one more in the back. This is coming against us. Look at this. It's coming against us strongly. All right. So here's the profit. It closed down. Yeah, because it was a little bit less than... It was around $200, so it's my fault, actually. Final TP should be better. Anyway, it was... journal-wise, we're going to journal it as a partial 0.6% trade. It's coming against us strongly. Wow, look at that. This is why you have to take partial profits. Because from now on, this is a winner. Whatever anyone tells you, if you take partials, whatever happens, that's a winner. This is a winner from now on. Let's put that to break even here as well. I still believe that it should go up. Didn't really take out that level. I think it's just gonna go for our entry and then spike all the way up. I'm not entering a second time into this trade if it takes us out. I'm not entering, definitely no entry. But just for this, look at that, look at that. Look at that. That's where the first partial was taken. Oh my god, I think it was right to the tick almost. I was a little bit lucky there. Let's be honest. Let's be honest with each other. Okay, if it reprices this small gap and then spikes up, we're fine. But it's coming for our stop here at break even. Actually, it should be covering our commission. It should be covering our commission. I think so. I know I said I'm gonna wait a little bit after news, but hey.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I love this meme. I couldn't resist. All right. Okay. Now let's talk real serious. Look at what's happening with gold. Gold. Okay. I don't know what the hell is going on gold. No structure break on the 5 minute. I still think gold is going to go up. But you know, no problem if it's not. There's no setup for me here on gold. The euro, if we would have taken the euro, we would be in the same situation with the pound. But I do have to let go one of these pairs. Please leave a like, by the way, if you're here on the stream. Please leave a like. I'm begging you, whoever you guys are, if someone is watching even the stream, please leave a like. Support the stream. I'm just a noob streamer. I'm not that kind of a noob trader, but I'm a noob streamer, so help us build this community. Okay, so far we are back to the fair value gap on that 5 minute fair value gap, which can be still acting as kind of a resistance, but it went over, so that's cool. That's good news. And the 25 level is up there. It's a very crucial level. Let me change the visualization. There. Let me just put 25 on the numbers. So it's a round number. We're so close. In these cases, round numbers are like magnets. That's why I put a magnet up there. And this level is buy side. This 24.83 level is another buy side there. I wouldn't go short here on pound. No way I'm gonna go short below 25. There's just no way I'm going short, and that's my short answer. If someone would ask me, hey, why didn't you go short? No, we're so close to 25. Even if I want to go short, I definitely want to wait for a test of 25, at least with a wick or something. Just do something there. Anyway, today was a fairly good day. Made some profit. Every trade is a winner, so let's log this one. This trade was taken at 8:34. 8:34. 8:34. New York with the pound. Buy. What was this? It was a classic FVG trade. It reached TP1 on the which was it? It was on the 1 minute. It was successful. I'm not logging the charts for now. Oh, by the way, we're up. We're up to 2.6%. Let's update the stream. Today profit, we have 4 winners in a row, guys. 4 winners in a row today. Monthly profit is up. Journal-wise, by calculating 1% risk, we are up 2.6%. All right. So last month we were up over 10%, and now we're already up on the first day 2.6%. Now I'm gonna wait for the screenshot until this trade reaches what it has to reach. Let it be TP or break even, whatever. So far I'm quite happy with this day, but we have to wait. So 4 trades, all of them are winners. That's great. Okay, gold is not, I don't like the formation here, so I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. The only thing I'm concentrating for now is the pound, and we are risk-free. Everything is fine. Look at that. I mean previously how the EA took us out to the tick, I must say, to the tick. Now it's higher. All right, so eventually we would have reached that level. So we're over 14 pips on this partial, and as I said, final TP is just below 25. 24.98 something level should be just perfect for us. So we just have to wait, that's all. We were waiting patiently for the news. Hey there, Christian. Nice to see you again, dude. I took a trade, by the way, off stream, so I was cheating a little bit. This trade was taken just like it was just before the kill zone, 5 minutes before. This was a pound trade as well. Let me show you. I think it's, yeah, you can see it here. So this was the trade right here. Entered right here. Hello to you too. And this level, this dotted line, was a buy side liquidity, which I was mentioning in the London session. So I was talking about this buy side level in the London session, this 24.69 level, and it made a fair value gap. This one made this fair value gap, so I said to myself, this was a scalp trade, definitely, that it has to be taken out with at least a 1-to-1. So The thing that happened with that trade is that
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I just couldn't resist. I just couldn't resist that trade. But I did not log it as a 1% trade. I logged it as a 0.6% TP1 trade, although there was my stop loss right there. So it was a 1-to-1, but with a smaller position. So far it's all right. But if gun to my head, as ICT would say it, I'm definitely sure that this buy side is going to be taken out. This 2480 84 or something. I couldn't resist. I just couldn't.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
So this will be taken out. And since we're so close, we're gonna be just 16 pips away from 25. It's just so tempting. If I would be the algorithm or something, I would want to take out 20, not take out, but it's at least test the 25 level with the, maybe just with the wick or something. Just test the 25. I would not go short on this level. That's for sure. 100% sure that I'm definitely do not want to go short here anywhere until we don't touch 25. No shorts on pound for me. No shorts on pound. Maybe it's gonna take until Asia session. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna consolidate here for hours, but I'm not shorting the pound until it's not touching 25. And still, as I said so, oops, sorry. Oh, what the hell? Let me just show you what I still think about pound. Oh my god. What a mess. My chart is a mess. I still think that there are so much. This is the hourly chart on pound, and this is the daily equilibrium level in the PD array matrix. It's just so precise, like almost at 25. That's why I think we should go there eventually. And not just that, but liquidity all around the place, you know, everywhere. I mean, look at these levels. Oh, this has been taken out. But anyway, these levels are just waiting for me. I mean, if we look at the 4 hour, the pound has been declining all month, last month. So yeah, that's my analysis. And there's buy side. Yeah, there's buy side from. Oh Jesus! No wonder nobody can follow. I can't even follow my own trades. Okay, so here's buy side. Buy side. Look at this wick all the way up here on the 5 minute from the 19th of May. Quite a bit of a buy side here, and so that's why. I just think there is too much stuff going on, and I want to see it go up. That's all for now. I mean, that's what I'm checking gold as well, by the way, because that should be. If I go to the 1 hour gold, okay, let's go to TradingView. I know lots of people like TradingView as well, by the way. Sometimes it's just easier for me. I'm not a trader, but anyway, gold spiked down, repriced this imbalance here. This is a fib chart. This is equilibrium down there. Somewhere around this area. So this imbalance has been repriced. I don't like this candle is going to be closed in 5 minutes, and you know what this candle, this long wick candle, is usually getting filled. What do I mean by that? This is what I mean. This. Or it can go all the way here, then mid threshold, and then go up. But anytime if I see a long wick candle, even if the next candle could also go down and fill it up and then go up. So I don't like this hourly candle as it looks right now. I definitely don't like it. It closed above previous swing high, so we have an up close candle. We have a bearish order block, by the way, on the 1 hour on gold right here. I'm not sure if this is a correct definition of an order block, but I think it is. That right there, especially this right there, that range over there. So there's an order block. There's a bearish order block, which is also, oh, and by the way, look at this, yeah. Equal highs. Look at all this money here. Look at this one. And this one. All this bag of money. Look at this. Lots of money there. Look. Oh my god. So much money. I can't even... Look. Relative equal highs. Tons of money. Look. Just piling in to each other. That's what I'm seeing on gold. And this is just the hourly, so there's lots of money there. Is there some kind of other emoji for this? Is there some other which I can use? Come on. Come on. I need an emoji about some... I know I missed it. I know. I might not gonna find it here. Anyway, there's tons of money there. I take a sell Euro USD 2-minute FVG. Let's check it. Let's check Euro USD. Why not? Oh, this is the pound. Go down here. I don't have 2-minute chart right now. Let's go to the 1 minute. So if I suggest that this is an FVG, this is a 2-minute FVG here or here, then your area should be here, right? By entering short. You entered adapting to this, right? And before you ask why I don't have a 2-minute chart, it's because I'm not a subscriber to TradingView, because I actually don't need it for what I use. I know it's a 3-second delay, but I making my decisions on MetaTrader anyway, so I don't have a subscription for TradingView. Yeah, so I know it's just $8 or $10. I don't care. It's nothing. I know. I'm a noob, but I don't need it. Actually, I don't trade on the 3-minute, on the 2-minute charts. Not even on the 3-minute. Only like rarely. Today, actually, I did, but I don't really need it. Why should I pay the money if I don't need the service? For now, I'm not saying never. So anyway, this was your area of entry, which is cool, which is nice, because now you should be doing quite nicely. Yeah, okay. Let's see what I see. There was a structure break as well on the 5-minute, and the buy side did not get delivered to sell side, I guess so. Although there were news event. News, you know, I'm not saying you're wrong, because if that's your analysis, trust your analysis, I say. Everyone says that you have to trust your own analysis as well. My only problem in my side, it's not really a problem, is that it made a huge move and repriced all this gap on the 1 hour, you know. It already repriced this gap here. So I would ask myself, where would be an ideal target for this? But now that you entered again, ideal target would be, of course, somewhere here, below that long wick candle, which is ideal. So I'm not saying you're wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying, wait, actually, you could be right there. Oh my God, you could be right. At 15 minute took liquidity. Yeah. Previous day high, right? There's previous day high, took liquidity. Okay, I have a buy side liquidity on euro, by the way, and also seen on the 1 hour. If you check the 1 hour and on the 4 hour as well, but most likely 4 hour, but most likely it's better to be seen on the 1 hour. These tops here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are so flat. Look at, like, almost no wicks, and the bodies of the candles are like almost the same. This is have this in the future. Hope that your trade is oh, you're put the break even. All right, fast. All right, so in the future I consider this as a very, very much a magnetic level. You know, that's why for me, shorting, I'm not even trading the euro now. I might be just staying with the pound. So I would be scared to do anything here. Scared to short because of this buy side here, and scared to go long because of this long wick. So technically what you did there is you're brave. I'm not brave. Men are brave. Oh, who said that? Which movie was that? Oh, that was Batman said it to Superman. Yeah. You're not brave. Men are brave. No, actually, it was a good move. It was a good move, actually. It still can be a good move. That's what I see on euro. But this level is so flat. Look at this. It's very rare that the price is so flat, especially on the 1 hour for this long time. 100% that there has to be some form of liquidity up there. And maybe if not today, not tomorrow, then next week, the price should be visiting this area sometime. I don't know. Let's approach the final TP on the pound. Maybe this magnet is going to help us. I don't know. There, the bigger magnet is always better, right? So let's go back to gold. Oh yeah, gold is edging higher. Took out this buy side. Look at all this money here. All this money on gold. Right there. Waiting to be taken away. All that money. I'm gonna put even a bigger money there. There. Lots of money. Okay, this is not too much. There. All right. Lots of money there. I'm just trying to be visual, you know. Trying to be visual. Is there an effect I can do with this? No. I cannot customize it? No way, man. Emoji, I don't care. Okay, so lots of money there. That's why gold is going up. But first, Gold is going to bump into a roadblock at the bearish order block on the 1 hour level from the 24th. You want a smaller bag? Alright. Alright. Okay. You see what I'm doing here? That wick right there. We're gonna put this bag so that wick is going to hold it. And there. Now it's holding. It's quite alright. And these bags are actually, you know, they're sitting there. And this one is on the top. Alright? Oh no, if I zoom out, it's destroyed. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I screwed up. I screwed up. Okay, never mind. I screwed up the whole thing. I screwed up the whole thing. Okay. Alright. That's where the money is on gold. That's what I think. It's the best analysis, you know. So let's check on pound again. Oh, look at that. The magnet is working. The magnet is working. We need a bigger magnet. Alright? Should be fine. Come on. Okay. That's what we're doing right now. How's the trade going so far? Okay, 24 pips in profit. Okay. You know, there comes a question, should I secure some more pips? I don't secure, because my strategy is that if it wants to have some wiggle room, then let it have, you know. I'm gonna give it some. We're only like less than 10 pips away from 25, so it's like 80 or 90% guaranteed that sooner or later we are going to reach that level. So I'm hoping that we are reaching that level quite fast. Okay. Okay, this magnet is working quite nicely. There. Right. Euro is doing its thing. And so far gold is going higher as well. This is the 5 minute. So there comes another question. If this is previous day's high, and we have a bearish order block above it, and by the way, order blocks are also acting as a little bit of magnets or targets or whatever. Should anyone consider, or even I consider, going into a long trade as a liquidity run? Good question, right? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
Hard to resist, but yeah. What to do here? We're almost at no man's land. You know, we took out this buy side. Would I go short here? Asking myself the question. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I want to go short here on gold. I'm not even sure I want to go long here on gold. What time is it? When is the silver bullet coming? It's 10 a.m. From 10 a.m. Sorry. It's 9 a.m. 9:09 New York time. No silver bullet at this time, right? Is this magnet big enough? It should be. Okay. Yeah, it's melting now. Our profit is melting, boys and girls, girls and boys. Let's zoom out. All right. So this is the boring part, you know, in trading. Let's look at the euro. Nothing so far. We have a fair value gap on the 1 hour on the euro here. We tapped into the fair value gap, so, you know, oh yeah, it tapped into that earlier, yeah. And this is the 5 minute. US 30. I don't really trade US 30, but I can look into it. Where's US? There it is. US 30. I'm gonna check S&P as well. Okay, let's put a line for midnight so I could see what is going on. Okay, that's midnight. That's midnight price, New York time. Took out sell side. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's go to 4 hour. Ooh. 4 hour. We are in a 4 hour fair value gap in this zone. So that would be nice. If we look at the 4 hour price swing, this high to this high, then we are in a discount zone. So that's a good news, I guess so. Broke structure to the buy side on the 4 hour. Also, I think we could be in a that's the swing high, swing low. Could be in a discount on both 4 hour and daily. Took out some sell side here. So if I go down to 15 and 5 minute, nothing there. Nothing on the 1 minute, no displacement, no major structure break, but I would not take a long here. I would not take a long here on US 30. I would wait for example, if I go to the 3 minute, I wanted to see this candle to be a little stronger and close way higher here to leave a fair value gap. So I know that the wick has went above this structure break here, but I only consider it as a structure break if, you know, if there's an up close candle, if you know what I mean. I want the whole body of the candle to be closed below or above or below the structure. So for me, it's neither here, no structure break. The wick here is not, I don't care about the wick, although we are in a fair value gap, but this break here for this is not valid for me. I want this 1 minute candle to close way above with the full body, not just with the wick. I know ICT says that you can enter if you want to use just the wick as a break, but you have a higher probability trade if you have an up or down close candle below after that previous swing, a structure break. So I would not enter to a buy. I would not, but let's check out S&P, right? Now S&P is interesting. It's interesting because we did have a structure break right here. S&P is, this is not the E-mini, this is just S&P 500. This is not the E-mini before someone wants to troll me. So that's a structure break. No problem, dude. You're welcome. Fair value gap is here, almost at the optimal trade entry. So if someone wants to go long on S&P, then this should be the time on the 1 minute. But you know, there's a big but here. Took out some sell side, took out London. We are in a discount array, in a daily array. But so far, this is the 1 hour S&P, not the E-mini, again, not the E-mini, this is just S&P, which is identical. This is from Wanda, this feed, but almost, if I look at the feed here, it's almost the same. The thing, I don't trade this because look at the spread. The spread is just horrendous, and if I want to go for that 5 handle, it's not even giving me 5 handles. It's giving me like 4, and you have to work down the spread, so it's just not worth the trade. On MetaTrader Broker, you cannot trade index futures. It's almost impossible. Not impossible, but very hard. On the 5 minute, we had the structure break. Look at this. Small gap right there. Very small gap on the 5 minute S&P. So if someone wants to, you can go for that. But barely giving 5 handles. And some wicks around here. I don't like that. Nothing. I would not enter this here. If I would be trading on a different broker, which has like 0 spread and not S&P, but I would trade the E-mini, then I would definitely consider a long position, but not on this one. And look at this, our pound position is giving away itself. It looks like the magnet is not working. The magnet is just not working as it should. What's up with the euro? Should have stayed in that euro short, right? Gold. Okay, so gold now, it broke structure. Let's go to trading view and we can see it better. So gold on the 1 minute chart slightly broke structure, and there is a fair value gap. Not a huge break, I must say, only like with a tick. I need a stronger break than this one. And because of this, I wouldn't even consider entering. It's a very sloppy and weak break. I know it tapped into someone could be short from here. What's happening here on the pound? Nothing. The pound didn't break structure on the 1 minute, by the way. There is no well, maybe there is. Small structure break here. Let's check it. Let's check it. What the hell am I doing? Okay. So small structure break there on the 1 minute, but as I told earlier, I would not enter this trade. Okay, yeah, it would be just about there. So the fair value gap would be just around here to enter a short. That would be a 1 minute short entry on pound. The reason I'm not entering this, not even considering, is because the 25 level and because this magnet is here. That's why I'm not gonna. I mean, you should be already in the trade by now if you're entering on the 1 minute. I'm not saying it can't go down there. It can definitely go down there. It can definitely take buy side to all the way down here. This would be a final TP on the 1 minute. So it could do that. Stop loss would be around here. You know, partials, you could take partials around here. Final TP is down here. So it's definitely, it could be a good short setup. I'm not going to FOMO about this trade, and not because I'm in a trade, but because I'm afraid to take any short below 25, so close to 25. If this would have happened after testing 25, I would be already in a short. But not the way like this. Ugh. So not the way like this. Oops. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait still. It might gonna go against me. I'm not saying it's not, but today I think we did already what we could. So, and we are already at break even with this trade, so I'm all right with this one. Huh? It could go down actually. It's not too far. How many pips is that? Well, yeah, it's 30 pips. Pound can do that. But then this whole scenario is scrapped. If it goes down there with down close candle at the end, then the whole idea to put out a buy side on the higher time frames is going to be invalidated, at least for today. Look at the euro. I have a 3-minute chart as well, because this is included in the free subscription. Okay, this was a short entry on euro, right? On the 3-minute, short entry on the 3-minute. Let me just show you. Structure break. Fair value gap here. Fib. Look at that. Exactly at 50% equilibrium level. With that wick on the 3-minute chart, that's a completely valid short trade. But the reason why I would not be entering to this euro short, not because of this. Let's just forget that I have that buy side. Let's pretend that that's not there. The reason why I would not enter this short is because it didn't really sweep this high here. If I would enter a 3-minute short entry, I would need this high, this here, to be swept, or at least tapped into it with the wick higher than this one. So that's why, oops, that's why I'm not considering, I would not consider it as 100%, I mean a high probability short. It's technically a short, but not a high probability one. Not an A+ short. And look at this. If we would have entered the short here, maybe we would be sweating if it starts to consolidate here, which I think it will. All right. All right. All right. Not much to do here, by the way. Anything else? Gold. I have no idea what gold wants to do now. It was much more clear in the London session. Right now, what what I think is that this 1 hour candle is going to get filled. Maybe let's go back to TradingView, right? Let's go back to TradingView. 1 hour candle, gold. Maybe what it would do is just, you know, this. And by the time it gets here, it's gonna be like almost Asian session. I'm gonna leave it here because that's what I think it will do. I think gold is going to like slowly come down, slowly take out that low, and it's over for the day. That's it. That's gold. It's going to consolidate here, because the data was a little bit mixed as well. So that's it for gold, and our pound trade is getting some traction. This big magnet is definitely helping us here. So come on, magnet. Yeah, this is helping our trade. And overall, let's go back here. I'm still saying that that bag of money will be the final target for gold. Not today, maybe not tomorrow, but for next week maybe, who knows. Right now I think it's just gonna consolidate, but this is the 1 hour. Lots of money here, engineered liquidity all the way. So yeah, please drop a like on the stream, please. If anyone here new, please drop a like, subscribe and follow, because we are logging every trade so far. I had 4 trades this month. This month I had 4 trades and all of them are winners. And we are up 2.6%. We closed May with over 10%. But I had so many trades, my accuracy went down to 56%. We had 77 trades and April 47. So yeah, anyway, 4 trades already. That's too much. And all of them are winners, but only with TP1. So that's it for gold. All right, that's the scenario. I'm not repeating myself. Oh man, I need to drink something. Oh, by the way, let me just let me get a drink. All right, let me get a drink. Be right back. I'm back. So far, Nothing has happened. Alright. That's cool. If someone's new here, please drop a like. So far today, we had 4 winning trades. 4 winning trades. This month, we are at 100%. So, please subscribe and follow, and we're gonna make huge money. Yeah. Come on, crowd. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to TradingView again. And this is why we're gonna win. This big magnet here is gonna help our pound long trade to reach TP2. That's the secret, actually. You want the holy grail? This is the holy grail. You have to use big magnets. Well. So, what we were talking about on the 1 minute is right here. If you would have entered short or on the 3 minute or 1 minute as well, then this would be a sweaty one. Maybe on the 5 minute? I don't know. Then this trade would be a sweaty one. So let's wait for TP2. There. We have manufacturing PMI. That could be interesting. That will be in about 28 minutes. Yeah. I'm eating something, I don't know. I think this trade should be reaching 25 before news comes out. There you go. Come on. Come on. We need that TP2 in the bag. TP1 has already been hit. It has this thing has so much salt on it. I'm 90% sure that the 25 level is gonna be tested. Oh, thank you very much for being here, Christian. Hope to see you next time as well, by the way. So definitely hope to see you. Thanks for being here. Yeah, that's for you. Thanks for being here, my man. Have a nice day. So we're just waiting. I have nothing to do here. I mean, ooh, wow, gold. What the? Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's focus on gold for a little bit. Shall we? Let's focus on gold. Buy side is right there. Oh my god. We're so close to news. Let's put a fib here. Looking for a 50% retracement level. We have a fair value gap here. Wow, gold just took off. Yeah. It's gonna take out yesterday high. Alright. Hey! We reached TP2. Alright. Very good. That's TP2. Yeah, I told you guys. We're gonna go there. There you go. The second portion of the trade has been taken out. Sub to the channel, like the stream. Alright, so let's go to gold. I'm gonna log it later. By the way, that's TP1 and TP2, which brings us... How much is that? How much is that? 3.35% profit. The magnet helped. This giant magnet here did its job. That's why I put it there. Okay. 3.35. All right. Okay. I can't believe this. We're on a winning streak. Man. 4 trades. 100% win. I'm gonna put the chart later. Actually, I can do it right now. I'm looking for gold. Okay, let's put a limit order here, alright? I'm gonna put a limit order here on gold just to see what it does. That's going to be a 0.06% trade. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to be a 0.06% risk trade. If it goes down there. No. That's bad for the camera. I'm thirsty. Alright. I don't think that I'm gonna leave this on before news. I do think that buy side... I thought that it's gonna go down, but anyway. Previous day high is the buy side. And it's about to be taken out. We're heading into that bearish order block on the 1 hour. On gold. Okay. That's it. I eat everything. What the hell? Okay. So I would be entering here. Let's see if it takes us in. Although, you know what? News are coming in. And I might not want to enter before news, so... So I might just gonna scratch it because it's 18 minutes before news. Yeah. Let's delete this trade. I'm going to observe it. I deleted the limit order. Not entering before news. I mean, I thought that before it's gonna just spike down and, you know, continue to take it out, but this is gonna take slowly, and that's it. Look at this beautiful delivery. And I think this was today's goal on pound, so it's just going to consolidate here. No more targets on pound. Gold is still interesting in terms of action, but I have to wait until news. Wow, look at euro. Euro repriced that gap, the hourly gap. Now comes the big question: what the hell does it want to do? We are definitely in premium, but in a discount on the hourly and on the 4-hour PD array, which would mean reprice this level. That's yesterday's high. How far is it? 30 pips. I don't like it, and I don't even want to trade the euro, so not trading it. And it looks like the gold wants to take out buy side before news, which is fine. Okay. So far today we did good. Quite happy about it, to be honest. And let's see. I have to do a chart. I have to log the chart. Basically, all of our trades this is the 4th trade are made on pound. All right. There. Okay. 100% win rate. Yeah. No stop loss so far. Oh my god. Well, anyway, I think that's all I can do for now. I'm not taking any more trades. We had a very successful day. 4 wins. The month is very good. We're up. I couldn't ask more. I'm not going to do anything with pound no more. Gold, I still think is gonna go up. Not risking it. So I think I'm gonna call it for today. Thank you very much for everyone who was here. And thank you for the like. Please drop a like on the stream and subscribe, because I'm gonna be here as much as I can. And make sure to drop in and follow me on Twitter, and then, you know, check my blog. Thank you very much for being here. See you soon. And thanks again for everyone. Cheers.